Hello everyone, welcome to UU Spotlight, a flagship discussion session of Uttara University where we discuss about all the insights and updates across Uttara University. I'm your host today, Shababa Saif, and today we are going to have a very special episode focusing on Department of Mathematics. This department nurtures problem solving, analytical thinking and innovation across professional and academic field. Joining us here today is Dr. Shahansha Khan, Professor and Chairman of Department of Mathematics. We are very delighted to have him here. We're going to learn a lot about this department's journey, its vision from him. Good morning, sir. How's it going today?
Thank you very much. I'm also fine, and also thanks to you.
Starting with my first question, could you briefly share the journey of the Department of Mathematics at Uttara University?
The Department of Mathematics, Uttara University, it begins the academic 2006. Actually, when the department started, only one program launched. This program in the MSc final. Actually, this department focusing on the postgraduate students.
Okay.
And now the departments launched two also program, that is the BSc program and MSc 1 year and 2 years. And now the present situations above to 500 plus students enrolled of our Department of Uttara University undergraduate. It is a great pleasure, and this is the only one university, Uttara University in the Bangladesh, that is the starting basic science of mathematics.
Great. So it is growing gradually.
Gradually, and it is also the top type of department of Uttara University, and a great achievement of the Uttara University by our department.
That's very great to know. Sir, my second question is, what makes studying mathematics at Uttara University a unique experience for students?
It is a good question. Actually, mathematics is these types of subjects. The students who choose the maths, they can get admissions.
Of course.
Not by chance, by choice. Actually, these students are math lover. And Uttara University mathematics is unique because we have to take some times of rigorous curriculum, and we have to take the very potential faculty members. The faculty members are engaged all this time to develop the students, develop the research. And Uttara University mathematics departments exist a strong club. This club name is Mathematics Club. Mathematics Club engage for the development of the students. They can all this time engage in the research. Do you know when you can attend the seminars with teachers and students collaborating? It is the one kinds of achievement.
Great, sir. So, sir, my third question is, how does the department help students build strong problem-solving and analytical skills?
Okay, thank you. Mathematics department is this type of department now. It is not actually pure mathematics. It is just applied mathematics. Our departments also the combinedly a curriculum, pure and applied both. Applied mathematics now in the trend, it has just solving the engineering problem, analytical solutions. Because when the students are just start your journey from the startings, all the teachers are engaged to the problems of analytical solution, and just genius types of students, they can competition exam in the nationwide, such as the Math Olympiad. Do you know?
Great.
Under National Graduate Olympiad, Uttara University maybe 3 times in the top positions. And Mathematics Club all this time engage the students. And now the trend of the problem solving, it is the nonlinear problem. So we have to use the students in Math Club. We have to use the students of the different types of practicing of the analytical solutions, because the students who are engaged to the higher study, you have to know how to solve the analytical solutions. Because we can write the recommendation letter to the foreign students, but we have to write to the students for the abroad. They have a mention, what is the skill? And I believe it's our departments going to the right track.
Of course it is.
Inshallah.
So it's very great to know that this department is growing so fast and students are also getting into analytical thinking.
Yes.
And
When you start the math department in my university, this is the very hard subject. Do you know? Mathematics is not as like a subject. We can start the department just 2 students undergraduate. Now 500 students enrolled in my department. It is the growing department, and I believe Uttara University Mathematics Department will be the top department in the world, in the Bangladesh. I believe it, inshallah.
I'm certain about it. So my next question is, what opportunities do students have to apply their mathematical knowledge beyond the classroom?
Yes, Mathematics now it is this type of subject. It is not only engaged in the classroom because students. Our curriculum is the development in this way. They want to learn about the AI. They want to learn deep machine learning.
Yes.
They want to application to the engineering problem. So when we go to the engineering problem, they have to develop their just practical knowledge that is lab oriented. And outside of the class, they have to join the different type of seminar, symposium, just these types of programming, national, international competition, such as in the mathematics field, math Olympiad is the very important things. School level and college level and university level. We try our level, the students, they have to try to the best level to join there and they can go to the focusing. And they have to showcase as their mathematical genius. Do you know, a student whose name is Tariqul Islams, who just topped the first position Math Olympiad, maybe 2004. Now he's the BCS cadre. Another student, Masum Billah Bappi, he is also the BCS cadre. And Tariqul Islam is a very special student because he has a very strong team. And this team is always worked by the mathematics club in our departments. And inshallah, it will day by day increasing. I believe it. In future, we have to make our students a great provision for the analytical solutions and different types of solutions and just global 10, inshallah.
Inshallah. So what I gather from this conversation is students are not limited to classroom only.
No.
They're also using,
Yes.
applying their skills outside as
Yes,
well.
outside does.
Which is necessary.
Yes, yes.
So my last question is, what message should you like to share with prospective students who are interested in mathematics?
I interest and I message to my students. They are the fresher students who are searching in different types of university. They are very engaged in the mathematics. They love the mathematics. Sometimes they have to their question and they have to just ask the question in the admission room. I believe it. If you take the admission in mathematics department, you are the right place, right track. Do you know now in the present situation in the world, mathematics is a very useful subject because applied level of subject, that means applied physics, applied engineering, all the subject based on the mathematics. Students, if you want to flashing in our professional lives, you can go to the great literature, you can go to the different types of just invention. You must have to know the knowledge. And sometimes if the students are engaged in my department, they have to take the admissions, if complete the graduation, he can go to the another types of reading higher study. That means triple CSC, this type. But as students complete graduation from the CSC, it is quite impossible to come back the mathematics knowledge. But mathematics knowledge, when he can complete, he can go to the diversity, any field. So not only Uttara University, and now the new trend of the Bangladesh, mathematics is a very important subject. It is also business, it is also engineering, it is also different types of knowledge. Do you know, now in the training, the aircraft, I give an example. Aircraft is the great model of the mathematics, non-linear model. And these types of model also depends on the great types of student engaged there. Different type of research in Bangladesh and research project always time mathematics is the higher position. So I invite all of my students in my department and other of the country. If you go to the right place of the mathematics, you are welcome to my department in mathematics, Uttara University, and you have to join our company and we have to just, inshallah, task our milestone.
Oh, okay. So in the spirit of this conversation, sir, I want to ask you one more question, that how many students so far have applied abroad? For higher studies or
yes,
for work?
every year, just last year, we get the two sections, section A, section B. Every section of the students are 40. But every students are not interested to go to the abroad.
Okay.
10% or 15% students, they are going to the abroad for the higher study.
That's good enough.
Good enough. And most of the students, they are competition in the national, such as BCAs, different types of bankers. And it is very good for the mathematics. I give you example, 38 BCS in Bangladesh, our department, 4 students qualified there toward the administration, toward the education. And NCRT, another education sector of the Bangladesh government, last year 38 students qualified there. It is a great achievement of our department.
Of course.
And it is a great effort of our teachers. All are the dedicated faculty members, great researchers there. When they go to the research collaborating, it is the great. We know we have a research cell, our department, university, it is the CRT. Every year, our teachers and our students collaborating research. It is the great chance. And when a department going to these types of work, it is a milestone for the university. And our university, Uttara University, going to the different type of ranking because research is very active here. And mathematics is the one kind of research guru.
Of course, it is.
So I believe it, inshallah, our students day by day increasing. Though it is not as a different type of engineering university. Mathematics is a very hard subject. Sometimes students are afraid, but we are trying our best level. What is the popularity of the mathematics? And within very soon, we toss our milestone and we achieve our achievement.
Inshallah, one day. So that concludes today's episode of You Spotlight, highlighting Department of Mathematics. We sincerely thank you, Dr. Shahansha Khan, for being here and sharing his knowledge with us. Thank you all the viewers for connecting with us, and we are going to come up with some more innovative and insightful session in the future. Thank you so much.